Everyone thinks the best-selling windshield for the 1800 Goldwing is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, XMT Moto Windshield Protector. The XMT Moto Windshield Screen Protector really caught my eye with its sleek design and solid construction. Priced at $89.66, it's positioned as a reliable choice for Goldwing owners. If you want a windshield that keeps the wind and debris at bay, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made from impact-modified acrylic, it combines durability and scratch resistance, meaning it can withstand those pesky bugs and gravel on the road while ensuring you have a clear view. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 112 reviews, riders appreciate how it deflects wind for a more comfortable ride, exactly what you need during those long journeys. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's on, it stays put and performs exceptionally well. If you're not overly concerned about a slightly challenging setup, this windshield will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and protection during your rides. Skip this one if you prefer an easy installation process right out of the box. For the quality you get, it's a solid value for your money. Now, if the installation issue with the XMT Moto bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Greenell Clear Windshield. Next up is the Greenell Clear Windshield, coming in at just a bit more than the last one at $89.69. Its standout feature is the air vent, which not only adds to the aesthetics but truly helps in maintaining airflow. If you're looking for a windshield that enhances visual clarity while reducing wind noise, this is worth a serious look. The air vent here effectively disperses airflow, which means less wind pressure and noise at high speeds. This is huge if you often ride long distances and want to enjoy the journey without the fatigue that comes from battling the wind. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 80 reviews, it's clear that users love how it doesn't deform at high speeds, ensuring a safe and unobstructed view. However, some users mention that it can be a bit pricey for what you get. But I'll be real with you, the performance and stability of this windshield justify its cost if you plan on riding frequently. This is perfect for you if you want reduced wind fatigue during your rides. Skip this if you're strictly looking for a budget option. For its quality and performance, this windshield offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more premium experience. Product number 3, PSLER Motorcycle Windscreen Smoke. The PSLER motorcycle windscreen with a smoke finish is up next, priced at $159.99. It has a sleek design that adds a bit of flair to your Goldwing. If you're looking for a windshield that improves wind deflection while looking sharp, this one deserves your attention. Riders have noted that it not only looks attractive, but also significantly reduces wind noise, making your rides more enjoyable. The fact that it has a 4.3-star rating from 146 reviews speaks volumes about its satisfaction level among users. Now, a few folks pointed out that it may require some adjustments during installation. But honestly, once you get it on, you'll appreciate the difference in ride quality. It's not a deal-breaker, especially if you're willing to put in a little effort. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish windshield that really performs. Skip this if you're not up for a minor installation hassle. Considering its durability and performance, it's a solid investment. Now, if the installation process is a concern for you, let's check out another option that might be easier to manage. Product number 4, PSLER Motorcycle Windscreen Clear. Another offering from PSLER is their clear windscreen, also priced at $158.99. It's identical in quality to the smoke version but offers a completely clear view. If you want maximum visibility while still enjoying wind protection, this is a great choice. With a 3.9-star rating from 219 reviews, it's a reliable option that riders trust for its performance. On the downside, some users have mentioned that it may scratch easily if not maintained properly. But here's the thing, proper care will keep this windshield looking great and functioning well. If you're willing to put in a little effort, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you prioritize visibility and wind protection. Skip this if you're looking for something that can take a bit of rough handling. For its price, it offers great protection and clarity. Alright, let's move on to a premium option that many Goldwing riders rave about. Product number 5, National Cycle Vstream Windscreen. Finally, we have the National Cycle Vstream Clear Windscreen priced at $199.97. This is a premium option with a unique design that really stands out. If you're in the market for top-notch quality with advanced features, this windshield is worth a serious look. It's constructed from thick, durable, hard-coated polycarbonate material, which means it's built to last. With a 4.4-star rating from 139 reviews, many riders appreciate its ability to keep the wind at bay, especially on long trips. However, some users have pointed out that the price is quite steep compared to other options. But I'll be real with you, if you're serious about comfort and durability, this windshield is a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you want the best of the best for your Goldwing. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. Considering the quality and performance, it's definitely worth the price. To wrap it all up, we've seen a range of options from budget-friendly to premium choices for your 1800 Goldwing. Each windshield has its unique strengths, so think about what features matter most to you before making your decision. To wrap it all up, we've seen the XMT Moto protector for durability, the Greenell Clear for airflow, the PSLER Smoke for style, the PSLER Clear for visibility, and the National Cycle Vstream for premium quality. Each windshield has its unique strengths, so think about what features matter most to you before making your decision.